Okay.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. What are you doing?
Well, your glasses are a little.
Oh, thank you. My glasses. What are you doing? I thought we were doing the show. It's time for the show. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the show. This is
Julie, and this is Julie's
and
kitchen.
I am Paul the Chicken. Yes. And what are we doing?
What I was doing was I'm writing a letter.
Yes.
The lost art of letter writing, and considering it's almost Valentine's Day, and you think of writing, and it's cute. It almost looks like little Victorian stationery, and I'm writing a letter.
Can't you just send a text? Write an email?
I could, but I'm writing a letter.
Yeah, but you don't write a letter like that. You need a typewriter.
Why would you write a letter on a typewriter?
Well, isn't that just what they do?
No, if you're going to do the art of letter writing, then you're going to get a nice pretty piece of stationery like this one, and you're going to start to write, and you're going to use a pretty pen like this one, and we're going to write. Yeah.
I'll call my cousin Rhonda.
Why?
She knows all about old-fashioned things like typewriters. I'll ask her what kind of typewriter we should get for you. That's a good idea, isn't it? We'll get you a typewriter. I'm going to call Rhonda. I'll be right back.
Okay. Well, I didn't really think I needed a typewriter, so I have a nice piece of stationery here, and this is an envelope, and I'm going to address it, and I'm going to put a postage stamp on it, and I'm going to send it out into the world, and it's more personalized. And
I'm back. I called Rhonda. Yes.
Yes.
She was on the telephone.
Uh-huh.
She said we need to call Tom Hanks. Yep.
The actor?
Yes, the actor Tom Hanks. He collects typewriters, and he said he knew exactly, he would know exactly where to get a typewriter, so we'll call Tom Hanks.
Do you have Tom Hanks' phone number?
No, I just look it up in the Yellow Pages or something. It shouldn't be that difficult. Yeah, typewriters. Maybe he'll sell you one.
But I wanted to write a personal letter by hand with penmanship. You know, like where you write nice handwriting and you use your script and
No typewriter?
I mean, certainly if you have a connection to Tom Hanks and you want to ask for a typewriter I assume there's probably other
sorts. I don't have the Yellow Pages. Is one of these the Yellow Pages?
No, they're cookbooks. No, sorry about that. You know, Paul, I think it's the point in our time together with our friends, and by the way, we need you to like and what else do we do? We like and we subscribe
and we hit the bell.
We hit a bell. Yes, we do.
Notification bell.
Notification. Ding, ding, ding. No, we're not doing that song.
We're not doing that song. What song are we doing?
Well, I thought because we're doing a very old-fashioned Valentine type of video
with the
today.
And the lovey-lovey.
I thought maybe I would do that fun little song of Dear Mr. Gable from, the Judy Garland song, and it's one of my favorites, all right?
I will join in.
No, actually, I was thinking maybe you could, go find me a stamp.
Okay, I'll go find a stamp.
All right, thank you. Dear Mr. Gable, I am writing this to you, and I hope that you will read it so you know. My heart beats like a hammer, and I stutter and I stammer every time I see you at the picture show. I guess I'm just another fan of yours, and I thought I'd write and tell you so. You made me love you. I didn't want to do it. I didn't want to do it. You made me love you, and all the time you knew it. Oh, yes, you always knew it. You made me happy sometimes. You made me sad. But there were times, dear, you made me feel so mad. You made me sigh, for I didn't want to tell ya. I didn't want to tell ya. I need some love, that's true. Yes, I do, indeed I do. I don't care what happens, let the whole world stop as far as I'm concerned, you'll always be the top, 'cause you know you made me love you.
Well, that was pretty good. But
Pretty good.
It was very good. It was
Oh.
excellent. Not bad.
I would stop now if I was you.
Good try. No, I looked, but I couldn't find it.
You couldn't find a stamp.
No, I couldn't find Tom Hanks' phone number. It's not in the yellow pages.
Well, I didn't think you were going to find Tom Hanks' phone number in the yellow pages, but you
That's
can
a
keep...
stamp.
All right, well, I think that's all the time we have today, and I will be sending my letter out to...
Tom Hanks.
Well, maybe it'd be a better idea to send it to Tom Hanks, but no, I'm going to send my letter out, and I guess we'll say goodbye to all our friends out there, and
Goodbye
we will
to all
see
our friends.
you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, friends.